Hello everyone, welcome to video lecture series on entrepreneurship development. In this video, we'll see the concept of entrepreneurship, meaning of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship, definition of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. So first, let us discuss the concept of entrepreneurship. In the concept of entrepreneurship, there are three terms: entrepreneur, entrepreneurship and enterprise. Now, entrepreneur is a person who starts a business. That business is called as enterprise, and the activity involved to start and run the business is called as entrepreneurship. So in short, the person who starts a business is called entrepreneur, the business is called as enterprise, and the activity involved to start and run the business is called as entrepreneurship. But starting any business cannot be termed as entrepreneurship. Only that business which involves innovation and skills of the entrepreneur can be termed as entrepreneurship. For example, starting a kirana store cannot be termed as entrepreneurship. But if you start the same business on a larger scale using technology and set up a system so that it runs on its own, like in the case of Walmart, Big Bazaar and DMart, what they do is they keep a record of purchase, sales and inventory using computers so that they can scale up the business. So that means they can open multiple stores of the same. That can be termed as entrepreneurship. Now let us see what is the meaning of the word entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Now these two words, entrepreneur and entrepreneurship, has been derived from a French word which is entreprendre, which means to undertake. Now the English version of this word entreprendre is entrepreneurship, and the noun form of this word is entrepreneur. Now let us discuss the definition of entrepreneurship. Now there are number of definitions available for entrepreneurship, but the definition given by Musselman and Jackson is more relevant. It states that entrepreneurship is the investing and risking of time, money and effort to start a business and make it successful. So entrepreneurship is nothing but investing and risking of time, money and effort to start a business and make it successful. So at the end, let us see the definition of entrepreneur. Now there are once again many definitions for entrepreneur, but the definition given by Adam Smith is more relevant according to me, and it states that an individual who undertakes the formation of an organization for commercial purpose by recognizing the potential demand for goods and services and thereby acts as an economic agent and transforms demand into supply. Now this is a big definition, but it is very easy to understand that an individual who undertakes the formation of organization, an individual undertakes a business for a commercial purpose to gain money or to earn money, recognizing the potential demand for goods and services. That means there is demand supply gap, and thereby acts as an economic agent and transforms demand into supply. And by starting the business, he tries to fulfill the demand and supply gap. So that's it in the video. Hope you like it. My name is Yashraj Salunke, and see you in the next one. Thank you.